Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. My name is Guy and today we're going to learn how to make vegan donuts.
Alright, so here we have the all-purpose flour. We have the salt, sugar, flaxseed, fine grind. We have the baking powder, coconut oil. We have the almond milk and warm water. Now make sure the water is warm because it will help the flaxseed incorporate together. And I forgot my spatula. There it is. Alright, so now we're going to mix the flaxseed to the water. Go ahead and give that a stir. Stir, stir.